We were looking at the time at other companies. I phoned them up, and from that very first phone call, they've been very, very impressive, and they've done way more than I would have expected any company to do. What we didn't want was to have two companies, one doing utility room and one doing the kitchen. And once DM said, yeah, we can do both, that made a huge difference. We started with the builders who took down the wall and literally put it brick by brick in a van. So at no point did we have rubble or anything else. They tied it up after themselves, which was amazing. The second week was the fitters coming in, and they were excellent. The main thing I would say was that if we hit a problem, DM were determined to solve it. And any build like this, you're going to hit problems. They were solving them before we knew there was a problem. So they would tell us not only what the problem was, but what the solution was and what they were going to do about it. We have already recommended anybody who asks us, we say, yes, we're very impressed.